Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by forcing the iPad into recovery mode so you can restore system software. First, make sure the iPad stays powered. Plug into wall power. Next, connect the iPad to your Mac or PC with a known good USB cable. Once connected, follow the button sequence for your model to trigger recovery. Volume up then down, then hold the top button, or hold top and home for older models. You're now ready for the computer to detect the device and offer restore or update. You'll use Finder or iTunes to repair the system. When the prompt appears, pick Update to reinstall iPad OS without erasing data. If Update times out or fails, choose Restore to erase and reinstall. The computer downloads the iPad OS package. This can take 10-30 minutes depending on connection speed, so be patient. Make sure your computer stays awake and the USB connection remains solid. Once the transfer finishes, the iPad will reboot. You'll see the setup screen if restore completed successfully. Finish by following on-screen setup steps. Choose language, Wi-Fi, and sign into your Apple ID to reactivate the device if required. If activation lock appears, you must enter the Apple ID used previously. Otherwise, contact the original owner or Apple support with proof of purchase. If the computer fails to restore, try a different USB cable or port, reboot the computer, or use another Mac or PC. If none of that works, schedule an Apple Store or authorized service appointment for hardware diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.